In this video, we will be identifying the reproductive structures. This will be different based on whether your cat is a female or a male. So in the female cats, we will identify the uterus, and the parts of the uterus include the uterine horns and the body of the uterus, as well as the ovary and the vagina. In the male cats, we will see the testes, as well as the penis and the spermatic cord. So the cat that I happened to grab was a female, so we will look at the female reproductive system first. So this is a single horn of the uterus, and then the ovary is at the very end there. The reason the cats have this shape of a uterus is they have these two what are called horns on either side, and this shape allows for the cats to carry multiple young at once. So this is why cats can have a litter of 3, 4, 5, 6 cats, whereas a human uterus, which is shaped very differently, tend to only have one birth at a time. Where the horns of the uterus come together is called the body of the uterus, and then separating the uterus from the vagina is the neck of the uterus called the cervix. The vagina is inside the body, and then the urogenital opening of the cat is the outside opening. So the vagina is an internal structure of the cat, separated from the uterus by the cervix, and then up here are the ovaries. So the body of the uterus is where those uterine horns come together. So unfortunately, I was not able to dissect a male cat for you, but we will just look at this picture. So here we have the penis, the testes, and the spermatic cord. The testes are where the sperm are produced, and then after they mature in the epididymis, which is connected to the testes, they travel through the spermatic cord, which contains a tube called the vas deferens. The vas deferens will lead to the seminal vesicle, and then eventually to the urethra, where the semen can be expelled from the body.